See over here, no active sensor. First Libre 2 sensor with any of the oil and try to remove your sensor in one go. This was the sensor basically. The sensor was over here. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Faraz Ahmed and I am diabetic for 13 years. So this is my first Libre 2 sensor which I am going to remove today, and I will install the other one as well. So I am diabetic for 13 years, but I started using this Libre 2 sensor just 14 days back. When I came in the Scotland, I started using this. So actually my mobile was not connecting with this sensor, so they give me this device and I was using this device as well. So today this device giving me the signals that your sensor is going to expire in 2 hours, 1 hour and 30 minutes after, like this. So at this time you can see over here no active sensor. So now I am going to remove this sensor and I will install the new one. And this sensor is placed over here for 14 days. It has very good adhesive power and it is still very adhesive after 14 days as well. So what you have to do, so you can use any of the oil to make sides of this sensor soft, because if you will not use the oil, these sides are very tightly adhesive to the skin and it can cause you pain. So I have applied the oil with the help of the tissue on the side of this sensor, and now I am going to remove this. So before removing this, don't forget to take any tissue or the cotton swab. So start removing this sensor from any of the corner, and you have to remove this with little bit force and try to remove your sensor in one go. You can see it's very tightly adhesive to the skin, so this is the reason that you have to remove this in one go. And it's not painful at all because I had applied the baby oil to my skin. So you can see this was the sensor basically, and I have removed this from my skin. So now I will show you that where it was. The sensor was over here. So there is nothing to worry about. There is no redness, no blood or no discharge from this sensor side. Now after removing this, you can wipe this place. You can wipe this area with the help of tissue paper, or you can use the alcohol swab as well. And please make sure that if you have removed one sensor from this side, and don't put the other sensor on the same side. Like I have removed the sensor from the right arm, and now I am going to put the other sensor over here on the left arm. After removing this sensor, the disposal of this sensor is very important step. So what you have to do, you have to dispose this sensor like you dispose batteries, because this sensor has battery and this sensor sends signals to this machine and they work with the collaboration. Please don't dispose this in your waste bin. Okay, so if you are a regular insulin user, definitely your trust will give you this type of the container to dispose your shops like needles, so you can dispose this sensor in this waste bin as well. Thank you very much.